Let them celebrate their new year like this. I will celebrate my new year by doing threesome. आओ गाइस, तो मैं भी समझाता हूँ इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कैसे किया जाता है। इस क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि हम लोगों को एक टारगेट नाम का इंटीजर दिया गया है और एक पूरा एरे दिया गया है। हम लोगों को इस पूरे एरे में 3 ऐसे एलिमेंट लेना है जिनका सम टारगेट के सबसे नियरेस्ट है। सपोज़ कीजिए हम लोग पहला का 3 एलिमेंट लिए, -1 +2 +1, तो इसका इसका सम आ रहा है 2 and our target element is 1. So our target element is here and we are getting our sum here, so the difference between this is 1. Okay, now let's try next. Now take this one and this one, like -1 1 1 plus -4, we are getting something like -4. So our target element is here and we are getting a -4. So here it is -4. Like we need to move from here to here. What is the difference? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is a difference of 5, means like it is 5 unit away from our target and it is 1 unit away from our target. So we need to return this one. Where we are getting 2 from? We are getting 2 from this one. We are getting 2 from the sum of this, so we need to return the 2. Now our I will come to here and we will get 2 plus 1 plus -4. So the addition of this is 3 minus 4. We are getting -1. So what is the difference from 2 to -1? Here we are getting it. So the difference from 2 to -1 is 1 2 3. It is 3. So the minimum of all these is 1. So we need to return the sum of this one, which is exactly 2. तो गाइस हमारा कोड क्या बोलता है, पहले हम लोग एरे को सॉर्ट कर लेंगे, फिर क्लोजेस्ट सम में फर्स्ट का 3 एलिमेंट का सम हम लोग ऐसे ही डाल देंगे, फिर एक वेरिएबल बनाएंगे जिसका वैल्यू हम लोग इन्फिनाइट डिक्लेयर कर देंगे। फिर हम लोग एक लूप चलाएंगे, यहाँ आई शुड बी टिल हियर, सो दैट जे शुड कम हियर एंड के शुड बी इन द लास्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट। सो आई विल अगेन ट्रेवल अ लूप while j less than k. J means I plus 1, if I is this, j is this and k is this. While j less than k, we'll calculate once again total equal terms of I plus j plus t, means 1 2 3, this one equal to this one, and difference ABS of total minus target TRGT. Why we are calculating this? We are calculating this to find the range, to find the difference. This 5, this 3, this is yours to calculate here. So if difference is less than minimum difference, what is minimum difference? We have taken it infinite. So if the calculated difference is less than minimum difference, so we will, in minimum difference we will put the difference, minimum difference we will put the difference, and in closure sum we will put the sum of this one, I j k, sum of this one. Then if total is less than target, we will increment j1, j will increment here. If total is less, if total is greater than target, then we will decrement k once. We will decrement k is here, k will come here, else we will return the total. Again, suppose j has incremented, I is here, j is here and k is here. So again it will take the same and repeat the process till the end, and it will at last it will return the closest sum.